Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 69. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. The second appeal has been dismissed by the Board of Revenue by the impugned order on 11th May 2011 holding that no substantial question of law was involved and accordingly the order dated 31/3/2011 and the order dated 27/12/2008 were upheld. The proceeding arose out of a suit under Section 176 of the UPZA and LR Act for the partition. The dispute further indicates that it centered around the property acquired under the sale deed wherein the respondent plaintiff claimed equal share to the extent of 1/7 share each, whereas the petitioner defendant contend that apart from the land under the sale deed dated 10/5/1988 where the share have been indicated as 1/7 each, the share of the other parties which was subject matter of different sale deed brought on record through a short counter affidavit have to be distributed by allocating 1/8 share to the contesting respondent number 1, 2, 3, whereas the petitioner number 4, 5, and 6 are entitled to 1/6 share each. The trial court proceeded with the matter and from the order sheet it appears that the plaintiff witnesses were being cross-examined. The order sheet dated 20th September 2008 indicates adjournment of the case on the ground of further cross-examination of the plaintiff witnesses and the date fixed was 25/9/2008. Learned counsel for the petitioner Sri S.K. Purwar contends that the dispute which was raised with regard to the share could have been decided and adjudicated only after the cross-examination of the plaintiff witnesses was completed, but without proceeding with the same and only fixing date on the application. The suit was decreed on 27/12/2008, which prejudiced the claim of the petitioner. He further submits that the petitioner have been denied the opportunity of cross-examination and the trial court hastily proceeded to decree the suit, depriving the witness petitioner of the opportunity of putting the witness to cross-examination on that issue. A short counter affidavit has been filed by Sri Anupam Kulsestra, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent contesting herein, namely respondent number 1, 4 to 7. He contends that the sale deed that are being made the basis of the claim of the petitioner defendant do not indicate any specific share and therefore a presumption in view of the provision of Section 92 of the Indian Evidence Act is to be made that the plaintiff and the defendant all had equal share in the land which are subject matter of the sale deed, and hence the dispute which is now sought to be raised by the petitioner is purely unfounded, and the proceeding are being pursued on a very highly technical ground. He contends that, as a matter of fact, the petitioner are trying to take undue advantage of the absence of one of the brother of the answering respondent, and the share were very well known at the time of execution of the sale deed, which also stand corroborated by the sale deed dated 10th May 1988, whereby 1/7 share has been indicated in respect of all the parties. Thank you.